Oh, God. He's not going to do it. He's not going to do it.
Yeah. That's not a bad idea. Yeah, actually, no, I already hit him with the rock earlier today.
Yeah, no. We already hit him. Why doesn't that surprise me? Whatever. Next time you bring a girl home, first thing they're going to see.
That and the plate changing joke is fun, too.
What? I don't want your backpack.
I already have a backpack. Mine's pretty cool. Yours sucks.
It's dark before we get out of here.
Yeah, I agree. Let's go.
Yeah. How about if you don't go?